In an industry governed by speed and quality delivery, time and cost efficiency gain grave importance. About 6 months back, Kataria Polymer, a manufacturing plant of polymer bags in Ahmednagar, Maharashtra, came face to face with a hurdle that could cost them more than just tipping revenues.
Power is a main factor when we are going into process industry. So our monthly consumption of units is around 1,70,000 to 2 lakh units. So in order to minimize that cost, we have to shift to solar power.
There are two important aspects to install the solar unit. One, the major we feel is environmental, because by installing the solar units, we are planting the trees as well as at the same time we are saving on the carbon emission also. And second aspect is cost saving, rather you can say. We become more competitive and it's a value addition to our costing as such.
I got a call from this customer, Kataria Polymer, regarding their requirement of solar. We studied their entire electricity bill and did a detailed survey of their site and suggested them a 180 kilowatt roof mounted installation.
While finalizing the solar, the source and the vendor, we had inquired in the market at the same time. We feel that if you want to go for the longer term contract, we have to go with the brand and we have to go with the quality. And Havells, which I had seen is a brand, and at the same time it is collaborating with the SolarEdge, which is an Israel company. No doubt the technology and the commitment from the SolarEdge will be quite competitive and with the best standards than the competitor vendor. So we preferred Aditya Solar with Havells with SolarEdge.
The best part which the customer liked here was end-to-end solution was provided by Havells. May it be solar modules, may it be inverters, may it be optimizers, may it be cables, AC and DC wires, may it be safety boxes. What customer thought was a very long-term thing. Since this solar system has a life of 25 years, they wanted to have a brand, they wanted to associate with a brand which will serve them for 25 years.
At the 180 kilowatt, we had used 27.6 kW inverters of SolarEdge and Havells combination, which Havells India provided throughout the course of the plant, and the same was repeated for 450 as well. In 450 plant, the challenges were much bigger because this is black cotton soil. In black cotton soil, we had to go for pile footing. Also considering the space reserved, because we can't use much of the space, we can't waste land, we had gone for a 3-layer structure. In 3-layer structure, the load has increased considerably, but to sustain that, we had also provided these cavities in this structure. That is why the wind load doesn't affect this structure that much. Also because of the pile footing, the structure has got great strength. We have gone up to 3 feet deep, so that has also increased the strength of the structure. In this power plant, I think we are the first installer in India to use the 82.8 kilowatt solar inverter of SolarEdge. We have used 4 inverters in combination with 27.6. In this power plant, there are around 1,384 panels installed in 450, and for 180, the number of installed is 554.
Whether it is serving your community, ensuring sustainability, or leaving a green imprint, Havells is with you, bringing smiles for miles and cheers for years.